ARB has introduced LINX for total vehicle accessory integration. A well-equipped four-wheel drive requires a lot of controls, and a lot of controls can take up a lot of your dash. LINX controls any accessory in your vehicle. It brings all accessory controls into one central spot. It negates the need for the mounting of separate switches, declutters your dash, and offers you a customizable display and modern-day touchscreen technology. ARB's engineered a lot of good accessories for four-wheel drives since 1975, and LINX gives you a way to take the switches that would go with all those accessories and put them all into one touchscreen interface. This car is a good example. We've got bull bar lights, roof lights, rear lights, and side working lights, which would equate to a lot of buttons on the dash. What used to be the matter of running a wire or an extra relay in order to hook a light up to your high beams is now the matter of a couple of touches of the display. Every switch on the switchboard is completely customizable, so you can hook it up to high beams, low beams, reverse lights. And beyond just being able to turn those lights on and off, we've also given you the ability to automate them. So I can take any light and I can connect it up to my headlights so that when I turn the headlights on, so does that light come on and off. I can also hook it up to the rear lights, high beams, or just hook it up to the key so it comes on whenever I start the car. Another great feature of LINX is the ability to customize the name of every accessory. Accessing modules in LINX is quite simple. I can swipe up or swipe down until I get to the module I want to go to. Or I can start on the module I want to change, get to the main icon screen, and just choose it. Fine-tuning my LINX I can do from the LINX settings menu, where I have a selection of themes, units, and auto night mode settings to choose from. As a truly global product, LINX allows you to change the units value on everything it displays. Simply going to the settings screen, choosing units, I can change between kilometers, miles, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Let's change our pressures to PSI. LINX also allows you to theme the display color to the color used in your dashboard. Choosing theme color, rotate the dial to what works with your car, and apply. LINX was also designed to offer you an alternative to your air locker dashboard switches. It uses a split screen design to allow you to display, lock, and unlock each air locker. When I want to activate an air locker, I press the button on the screen, it brings up the compressor automatically. It then communicates that across to the LINX controller over either a USB hardwire or wireless Bluetooth. The controller then activates the compressor's relay and the air locker's solenoid. That brings both of them into action, giving the ultimate traction. LINX's compressor module allows you to turn the compressor on and off as you normally would with your dash switch, but if we add the pressure control module to that, we now have the ability to set a target pressure, 35 psi. I can simply attach the hose to my tire, and LINX will either deflate or inflate that tire until it reaches the preset pressure. Another great module in LINX is a battery monitor. It gives me the ability to monitor up to 3 individual batteries. Each battery can be customized in name, and I can set a low voltage alarm so that it'll tell me when that battery is dropped below a preset level. Another simple feature of LINX, but one of my favorite modules, is the Speedometer Module. It works by GPS to tell me the speed, altitude, and bearing. The displayed speed is independent of your tire size and allows me to set a speed limit warning if I go over a certain speed. ARB's been engineering air compressors for the air suspension market for years. Now LINX offers you the ability to control that air suspension. With up to 4 independently controllable airbags in the module, LINX allows you to vary the pressure at the touch of a button. You can also save those settings against one of 4 different modes. With 4 independent modes, the air suspension module allows you to vary up to 4 different airbags independently and then save it against that mode so that you can go between your daily drive setting to, say, your boat trailer, your caravan, or quad trailer. The module can be configured quite easily. A really great feature of LINX is that the whole system, controller and display, is completely updatable and upgradable. There are new modules under development now, and as they become available, you'll be able to integrate them into your LINX with a simple internet connection. The LINX in this car has taken the place of 9 different switches, 3 gauges, and over 4 different monitors. And it's done it all and controlled all those accessories from one central point of contact without drilling one single hole in the dash, keeping the dashboard as clean and tidy as the day you bought the car.